Okay, so today in the garden, it's been a while since I've been out here, so just a few things. Mainly my comfrey plants were getting really big and bushy, so this one's in front of the greenhousey thing, so it was blocking some of the light in the evening. So all I did is basically cut them quite hard. That's one. There's another one back there. And this one, if you can see it in the shade. Hang on, let me get behind it. So basically I cut them quite hard, and there's like a little pile of the comfrey leaves. So I'm going to use them in the compost wormery bin, basically use it as mulch around some of the plants. And also, here's some I made earlier, is some comfrey tea or soup or whatever you want to call it, and you basically just chop up some of the leaves or rip them and just put them in some water, put a lid on it, whether it's a bucket or a container, and just let it brew. And it smells, but it's meant to be like jet fuel for your plants. So I'm just going to dilute this down and put it around the garden, and probably about half of this is going to go in there. I'll top it up with water, and that's it. If anyone's got any tips on how to basically strain liquids like this before I put them in a watering can to stop the little holes getting bunged up as I water the garden, please let me know. Just a few other things. These are my cherries, coming along nicely, and a little update on the figs. This is I'm really looking forward to. So they're about golf ball size now. So my little garden. On the comfrey plants, I left the flowers as best as I could, and here we go. Look, fantastic. There's a bee, and they love it because even when it rains, because the flowers face down, they can still get at the nectar and the pollen. So I'll try and left as many of those as possible on the plants for the bees and pollinating insects. Anyway, take care, and if you like, subscribe, and it would be great if you would leave some comments, any feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye, shout out.